Hi Seekers! We are Mat and Angie, the queer couple wandering around Italy on a rainbow van. We are currently in Sardinia, and in our previous vlog we were left with broken hearts, saying goodbye to La Pelosa. But a new day means new adventures, and we are ready to discover Cane Malu. Hi Seekers! Good morning! Today we are going to a very special place. It's called Cane Malu, and we are not sure how to get there, but we are super sure it will be awesome if we can make it. So Seekers, come with us! We just parked and probably on the right spot to get to Cane Malu. But first, a little snack. Some strawberries that she hates and I love. As usual, I'm not sure where we are going, but we saw a sign next to the place we should hike, we think. Let's see if we are correct. And we have also to hope that it does not start to rain because the sky is a little bit cloudy. So let's hope we can make it without getting wet. We are not 100% sure we are on the right road because we found many houses, not like the drawing we saw on the sign. So there was a house, but there was no street to the left, so we are continuing on the main road. And let's see if we find another house and another path. And a path, because we didn't find one before. Oh! We were on the wrong road and we found a class of children and the teacher, and they gave us directions. Now we are on the right path. Seekers, we are bringing you all on the moon again. Part 2. It's crazy. It's beautiful. Seekers, it is beautiful. Really beautiful. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. We are back with our period panties drying. And Angie's figuring out where to park to go see Bosa, which we saw coming back is really, really nice. We have had a quick lunch and now we are gonna go explore Bosa, which is a nice town, seems. And obviously it started raining, as you can see, because you have some rain on your screen. So we go under the rain. Woohoo!
Bosa is the only fluvial city in Sardinia.
Cool! What are you looking at?
Fishes!
This little town has Phoenician origins. We found a local man that was in love with Angie. We were crossing the bridge and this man on the car waved at us, and then we were climbing to get to the viewpoint where you can see all Bosa, and this man exit from his house to greet us and to tell us that he was the one waving at us while we were crossing the bridge. And he started talking with Angie, giving her all the directions to see the best of Bosa. And he was so in love. Really.
Yeah!
He was a nice man. You could have switched.
Yeah.